this is Celina from East Sussex College, Hastings. I'm a makeup artistry tutor, and today I would like to show you how to create day makeup. Even though we spend most of the time at home now, it's still nice to have nice gentle day makeup when we go for our daily walk or when we shop for the essentials. I will quickly show you what I have here on my table and then we will start. I have my eyeshadows. It's a palette from Cryolan. As you can see, I use it a lot. It has all those neutral earth tones in here. If I would like to go for something a bit more darker, I've got black in here that I might use, I might not. Here is my contouring, highlighting and shadowing kit, as well as my blusher. It's a trio from Cryolan again. Very good small compact kit. I have my pencil, brown and black, mascara, and I've got a set of brushes, lots of different brushes, blending brushes, contouring brushes, foundation brushes, whatever I will need. I've put my foundation today. It's my normal daily foundation, but you could use whatever you prefer, cream foundation, liquid foundation. Make sure you will prepare your skin, you will follow your daily cleansing routine, and you could use different primers. Here are two from Cryolan again. This one is Ultra Foundation, Ultra Underbase, sorry. This really helps with dry skin to give it lots of hydration, but also is good for normal skin. This one is matte, invisible matte primer. It really helps to mattify oily skin. So let's start. I will start with the eye makeup. So I will go for my browns. I will probably start with very light cream color to put as a base, and then I will maybe use slightly darker brown just to give it a little bit more depth. I'm going to use my blending brush. I found this brush quite good to apply any makeup and to give it a nice and soft finish. I will be looking in the mirror here as I'm doing it, okay? Because it's a day makeup, I usually wouldn't use too much primer on my eyelids. I'm just going, I just put a little bit of foundation and I've used powder to set it. I will be doing both eyes at the same time. I found it is then very, very easy to make sure everything is even. Okay, so that's my base. Now I will go with the slightly darker brown, probably this one, and I want to put it to kind of elongate my eye a little bit. So I will keep my eye half open and I want to really just highlight the crease of my eye, just to give it a little bit more depth. And then I will go closer to the lash line. Again, don't try to put too much. The movement of your brush is those very gentle, round strokes. You don't want any harsh lines. Putting darker eyeshadow slightly above the crease, it really helps to open the eye for slightly for women that have maybe overhanging lid. It usually helps to hide it a little bit. So very, very gentle, nothing too dark. It just opens the eye a little bit, really. Okay, I will use slightly smaller brush. This is blending brush as well, and I will just put a little bit of this darker brown along my lower lash line, more or less to join everything together. I'm going to highlight the inside of my eye just to open the eye a little bit. I will go for this creamy lighter shadow. And I'm just going to put it on the inside corner of the eye. Okay, what I'm going to do now, if you want, you can, you don't have to do it, but you can, you could use pencil and add a little bit more definition to your lash line. I usually like it quite smudged, so you could use pencil and start drawing your eyeliner. It won't be, it will be very smudged eyeliner. It will help to define your eye a little bit more. I usually do it only halfway through my eyelid because I prefer the outside corner to be more defined. And I will use again blending brush, clean blending brush, to just blend it out. So that way it is a bit more defined, but still not very, very heavy. Now it's time for your mascara. If you use your own one, of course, you can use it straight away from the packaging. If you work on others, use always disposables to avoid any cross-contamination. This mascara is very good because it has both ends, and actually the scent is better. So I'm just going to apply my mascara. Again, it's a day makeup, so you don't have to overdo it. And I will apply a little bit on my lower lash line as well. Okay, that's done. So it's just eyebrows left. I will give my eyebrows a little bit of a brush. And I quite like to use pencil on the eyebrows. I think it gives it very nice natural effect. And I will follow my natural eyebrow just to give it a little bit more definition. I don't create very long lines. I almost try to create little hair strokes. Eyebrows are very important. It really defines the eye, brings the shape together.